Let's learn names of the furniture and things in the house. Let's learn about living room, sofa or couch, chair, wall clock, window, carpet or rug, cushion. Let's learn about dining room, dining table, chair, fork, knife, glass, bowl, water jug. Let's learn about bedroom, door, bed, window, lamp, carpet or rug, wardrobe or closet, mirror, blanket, drawer, pillow, fan, television or TV. Let's learn about toilet or bathroom, sink, toilet seat, bathtub, towel, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap. Let's learn about kitchen, refrigerator or fridge, oven, microwave, stove, pot, blinds, rooftop.
Thanks for watching Kids Exploring Club. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.